Welcome back, my dear students. Are you happy at home? Hope you all are happy. Students, what is the title of the story that we are going through? Yes, very good. The Light on the Hills. Students, now shall we go through the rest of the story? Yes, let's go. All of you take page number 86 and look the 7th and 8th paragraph. I'll read it for you, and what you have to do is identify the difficult words. This strong feeling was like an answer to the longing in his heart since his little sister died. This emotion seemed to answer a desire in his heart to put into the world something which should make the meanest, humblest citizen a little happier or better. At last, when he knew that his eye was true and his touch sure, he took up the picture he had promised to paint for the dear sister and worked at it until he was finished. This is better than all he has done before, the audience said. It is surely beautiful, for it makes one happy to look at it. And yet my heart ached as I did it, the artist said, as he went back to the field. I thought of her all the time I worked. It was the sorrow that gave me power. Now, shall we go through the new words and their meanings? Emotion means feeling, desire, want or wish. Mean, very poor. Humble, lower class. Ache means pain. Sorrow means disappointment. All should study these new words and their meanings. Now I'll explain the 7th and 8th paragraphs. When the boy was painting the picture, he felt the presence of a strange power that was like an answer for a question in his mind since his sister's death. It seemed to answer the boy's desire to put into the world something which should make the humblest citizen happier. Here, the boy's desire was to make the people happy by looking at his picture. Then, as the boy got a confidence that he could draw the picture perfectly, he took the picture that he had promised to paint for his dear sister and completed its work. By looking at this picture, the audience appreciated the boy that it is better than all he has done before. They also praised the picture as beautiful because it makes one happy to look at it. Then the boy said that his heart ached as he did this picture because he thought of his little sister all the time he worked in the field where his sister accompanied him when she was alive. Then the boy added that the memories of his little sister gave him a power to do the work. Students, hope you all understood these two paragraphs. So all of you take page number 87. I'll read the 9th and 10th paragraphs. Okay? As usual, identify the difficult words from these paragraphs. It seemed as if a soft voice of his long dead sister that spoke only to his heart answered back. Not sorrow, but love. And perfect love has all the good qualities in its gift, and from it comes all things except for happiness. How does one find happiness? Interrupted the boy. Finding happiness is a strange case. The answer seemed to be, if you want to find it for one's own self, then one must seek it for others. But happiness is so difficult to seize or to find. Perfect love helps one to live without happiness, his own heart answered to himself. And above all things, it helps one to work and to wait. But if it gives one happiness too, he asked eagerly, oh, then it is called heaven. Students, could you identify the difficult words? Shall we go through that difficult words and their meanings? Interrupt means break. Seek, attempt to find. Seize, to take hold. eagerly, very interested or excited. Heaven, abode of God. Now I'll explain these paragraphs. Here, the boy felt that his dead sister speaking to him. What did she speak to the boy? Yes, sorrow has no any good qualities, but perfect love has all the good qualities and happiness can be derived from perfect love. The boy asked his little sister, how does one find happiness? So, what was her reply for this question? Yes, she said that anybody can find happiness if he or she seeks it for others too. And she added that it is difficult to find happiness. In this 10th paragraph, it is said that perfect love has all the good qualities in its gift except happiness. When one's work becomes totally selfless, it brings happiness. Thus, if we want happiness, we should give happiness to others also. This happiness mixed with perfect love then gives heaven. Students, hope you all understood this 9th and 10th paragraphs. Am I right? Dear students, did you enjoy today's class? Hope you all understood today's English class. So, we have completed this chapter. So, in the next class, we will discuss some activities in this chapter. What you have to do is read the text thoroughly, okay? See you in the next class. Thank you, dear students.